down.
Wait, okay.
You said Portuguese.
Okay, that's okay. But okay, so we're at the baseball park and walking by, and we just see this albino walrus over there. You guys can see him. Not really. I don't think so, but if we go closer, you guys probably can see him. You know, this is a very endangered animal. Where are we?